Hello family, welcome to the Virus IT Education. This is Desmonofori. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to block a particular application from getting access to the internet. So let's begin. In the first step, we will launch our control panel. We can simply do that by right-clicking on the Start button and select Control Panel. Make sure the view by list is set to large icons. Scroll down and click on Windows Firewall. On the left side, click on Advanced Settings. This is going to open the Firewall Manager. On the left side of the Firewall Manager, click on Outbound Rules. We are going to set a new rule for the firewall to block the internet connection between the particular application you chose and the internet. I'll be using my Google Chrome as an example for this tutorial. So let's check and see if my Google Chrome has a full internet connection. Okay, so we can see my internet connection is working perfect. So let's go ahead and block the application from getting access to the internet. Right click on New Rule from the right side of the Firewall Manager and then select Program since it's an application we want to block. Click on Next. Select this program path and then click on Browse to choose the application you want to block. Since you are going to use my Google Chrome as an example for this tutorial, I'll go to my Google Chrome's directory. After choosing the application, click on Open to select and then click on Next. Since you want to block the application, just click on Block the connection. We are not going to do anything here, just click on Next. On this page, we are going to rename or we are going to give a name to our rule. So I'll input Chrome and then the description is optional, so you can choose to write anything or not. After renaming your new rule, click on Finish to create the rule. So you can see our rule has been created here. And then the action is set to block. So let's try again and see if our Google Chrome is still having the internet connection. So you can see our Google Chrome has been blocked from accessing the internet. If you want to unblock the application, you just right click on the rule and then go to delete. Click on yes to confirm and then let's try again and see if it will work. You can see our Google Chrome has regained its connection. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share for us to build a big community on YouTube. Bye.